In our greatest time of need, you're there at our call, prepared to stand strong and care for us all. Aching feet and weary eyes, the pain you've seen and the tears you've dried. Maybe fixing the heating and water is something that's urgent today, so we're here for you to take that burden away. The doorsteps are filled as the communities clap, but when it comes to your home, we want you to relax. To show our appreciation while we're staying in, we want to help you so you won't pay a thing. So in our greatest time of need, we thought it was only fair to express our admiration and to show that we care.